Don't irritate me. Okay? What I am saying, looking, my hand is not towards the. Okay. Now the fecal material is coming down, I'm leaving it. Okay.
Are there any positive sign?
What I am looking for there?
Uterine horns.
I am looking for a. She is pregnant, but I am looking for ovaries.
Functional CLO.
And why I am allowing this one to make a straining, and there is the peristaltic movements, and she is pregnant. There is no doubt in it. What size of the uterus should be of this animal? क्या size होनी चाहिए?
इसकी sir, lengthwise.
This is a under puberty. Actually, she is making a straining on the. She should have actually ball-like structure when the person is saying that it is 2 months and 15 days has passed. But unfortunately, she is not giving me such a sign that she hasn't passed 250 days. इसको 2 महीने और 15 दिन नहीं गुजरे। ये जो स्टेटमेंट है ये एक्यूरेट नहीं है इस बंदे की।
35 to 40
ये जो इन्फॉर्म कर रहा है कि 3 months हो गए हैं, लेकिन 3 महीने नहीं हुए इसको।
लेफ्ट हैंड पे सर या राइट पे
सर? 3 महीना कौन थे?
30-35
बुद्धि हाँ, तू जो को टाइम पे बुधाई वो गलत है। तो हिन के इज अ कॉमन केस, एनी कॉम्प्लिकेशन that animal is pregnant or not.
No evidence of pregnancy.
जी?
No evidence of pregnancy.
For your information, she is pregnant. For his information, she requires PD once again for after 1 or 2 months. So the symptoms, there is a corpus luteum, intact corpus luteum. There is a fetus in it, and it is a 1.5 months fetus, and it is in the watery position. So it needs to confirm it after 1 and 2 months whether it is growing or not, whether it's abnormality or whether it is a normal fetus. So when it grows, then it definitely is a fetus. If it doesn't grow and it's intact there, or it may abort in this condition, or embryonic death may occur, then you have to confirm it after 1 and 2 months. So after 1 and 2 months, definitely she may have a live fetus with a growth, possible growth.
Sir, from the urine we cannot determine the PD. In
There
humans,
will be a progesterone level increased in the if you are going to diagnose it through a urine, through even a blood. You can take a blood or a serum, so you can diagnose that the progesterone level, and it should be increased because the corpus luteum is intact, and it is the indication of a pregnancy.
It is a chemical process, but with the help of the strips we can determine.
No.
These
Strips are for human,
For humans.
actually diagnosis, and these strips are fixed for actually the progesterone level, where they changes its color with the level of the progesterone. Whereas you don't know that what level of the normal level of the buffalo. So if it might be the normal level of the buffalo may be maybe more than the pregnant human being. Pregnant female may have a lesser progesterone level than the normal buffalo, and you may have to detect a normal buffalo as a pregnant when it gives you the progesterone level with the level of a that gravid female of a human being. So you cannot confirm that one. Even the progesterone level may be increased with the corpus luteum intact, having a corpus luteum cyst, having a follicular cyst, having a false pregnancy. You may have a progesterone level at a higher level. So it is not a confirmed diagnostic method. So you may go for ultrasonography to diagnose whether the animal is live, whether the animal have a good age, what is the size of the fetus. It can be determined by ultrasonography.
Sir, the main cause of